Hi, I'm Mark from Elmer's, and as you can see, we've got a nice old piece here we've picked up at a flea market. But before I can bring it into the house and use it, looks like we may have a little repair job to do. Okay, so here we have our drawer that we've got to secure on both corners. And to do that, I'm going to grab the Elmer's Carpenter's Wood Glue Max. It's the only stainable wood glue out on the market. And because I may come back over and do some staining here, it's a nice product to use, and we'll run a good thick bead here. Go ahead and get your fingers in just to get some nice coverage in the corners. Make sure we've got full coverage all the way down this dovetail. And we're going to line him up and get it in. Obviously, we're going to have some running of the glue, no problem. Just get a wet rag, clean that up. Now, I definitely want to clamp both of these joints. I've got a nice padded clamp so I don't damage the front of the drawer any more than I have to. Get a good strong clamp, and you may get some more running of the wood glue after you do so. It's fine, we'll just get that wet towel in here. Good and firm. Now I'm going to go ahead and tackle the other dovetail joint with wood glue, and then we're going to tackle these gouges in the front of the drawer with some wood filler. So I'm just going to grab an Elmer's stainable wood filler, because after I'm through with this, I'm going to come by across the entire front of the drawer and do some sanding and staining. So let's go ahead and get some wood filler on the knife. Get a good draw. You can kind of run your finger up, clean it a little bit. You don't have to be too terribly exacting, because after this sets up in 24 hours, we're going to come by, give it a nice sand, and stain away. Find more helpful tips and other project ideas at elmers.com.